YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be doing a unicorn spiral today, and for this look I'll be using these 4 glitter. I'll be mixing to get a unicorn glitter mix. I use Super Nail Clear Acrylic and Kiara Sky Seal Protect. So I've already prepped my nails and applied my tips, so now I'm applying bond to dehydrate the nails. I start off with clear acrylic on all of my nails. I always like to start with a layer of clay. So I'm using my non-dominant hand to do these nails, so pray for me, y'all. So with my acrylic brush, I apply the glitter to the whole nail. To pick up the glitter, I just used my Seal Protect, take a small bead of clay and dip it into the glitter. And that's how I place the glitter onto my nails. Because the glitter was so tiny, I added the clear acrylic. I have a video which I speak about how I apply my glitter and what works and what doesn't. You should take a look at that to understand in details. I'll link it in the cards. So I repeat the same process to my ring finger. For my middle finger, that is going to be a glitter ombre. So I'm just concentrating the majority of the glitter on the tips. I'm not going to lie, I was struggling to do this with my non-dominant hand. And I'm placing a little bit of glitter on the nail bed area just to create a nice gradient look. However, it didn't really turn out that way. It was hard, y'all, because I had little control. You know, with your non-dominant hand, you don't have as much control as you do with your dominant hand, so it was difficult. Thank God I didn't see it in the final look. By the way, this video is recorded in real time. I didn't speed up anything, so y'all are seeing how slow I'm working with my non-dominant hand. So this was my failed attempt at creating a gradient ombre. So for my index finger, I'm also doing a glitter ombre nail. This one, I kinda did okay-ish with the glitter ombre. I also did a glitter ombre for my thumb, however I will not be showing that one. So afterwards, I encapsulated the nails by placing small beads of Seal Protect and clear in any of the areas that was kind of rough, where the surface was rough, just to attain a somewhat smooth surface, keeping the beads small as possible. If anyone is watching and is lost, please watch the video that I put in the cards so that y'all wouldn't be lost. So because I was doing it with my non-dominant hand, it's not looking as good yet. It was very rough, hence the reason that I encapsulated with the clear and the Seal Protect so that it would be smooth. And then after, I would encapsulate the traditional way by using base and dipping it into the clay. This part is very important because the Seal Protect reacts to base and cures all the layers of powder. Seal Protect chemically bonds to base, and that's why it is necessary. So if this part here, if you don't do this part, then your nails, it would be very soft. I would be putting a picture showing you how soft your nails would be if you leave out this part here. So do you see how soft? It's not hard at all. So you need to put the base and the clay in order for it to be hard. So after I build up the nail with the base and the clay, you could put as many amount of base and clay as you want to put. It all depends on what you want. So after that, I just apply activator to all of my nails. And I think I waited about 15 minutes or so, I'm not sure. And then I started to file. So make sure the nails are hard before you start to file. You cannot file on those soft nails. So in the meantime, I moved on to creating my spiral. I'm using a straw. This is the same straw I used on my first spiral. I'll leave a link to the first spiral that I did because that one has more details. I edited out a lot of what I was doing in this one because I didn't see the sense in showing everything, you know. So I will leave a link to my first spiral. That one is more detailed. The only thing I didn't like about this spiral that I didn't do it long enough. So it was kind of a short-ish spiral as compared to the one I did before. That was the only thing that, you know, damn, should have done that, you know. So now I'm encapsulating the spiral and then I left it to dry and then I went on to file my nails. So this is after filing, so now I'm just applying more activator to my nails. So I already applied the spiral and then I applied some base to my nail and stuck the spiral on to my nail. Now I'm applying some cuticle crystal to my middle finger and my index. Now it's top coat time. So do you guys see how this spiral could have, you know, been a little longer to, you know, go around the nail at the tip just a little bit? So that was the only thing I was like, damn. Anyway, it still looked good, so At the end of this video, I will be showing you like the strength of the nail after, you know, it has cured and everything. All here now, it is strong, it is hard, all the nails are hard, but I just wanted to show evidence that yeah, the nails were soft. However, they would get back hard once you use the base and the clear to activate it, you know. So I'll be showing that at the end of the video. At first I didn't really like the colors I chose, the glitter, but eventually, you know, I just looked so good. I don't know why I didn't like it at first, but they are so nice, so subtle but nice, you know. It's so cute. Now I'm adding my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look, guys. Hope you like it. Make sure and leave a comment and subscribe to see more videos. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye, guys.